Hello friends, today I'm sharing this beautiful moss rose bonsai making technique and also how you can keep on getting loads of flowers even if you plant it in a small container. For this, first take some long stems of moss rose and remove the leaves. Then take 3 stems together and you can either tie them up with a thread or a rubber band. Braid them as shown. Be gentle while braiding them or the stem might break. Finally, using a thread, you have to tie the top part also. Make as many such braids as you want. The more you add, the thicker the bonsai would be. Again take 3 such braids and then braid them together once more. Tie up the top part again. I broke one stem but it's still attached, so we can use it. Finally, collect all the braids together and tie them up at the bottom part. Remove the individual rubber bands. Tie up the top part also and remove the excess branches by chopping them off. If you chop off the top branches, then new shoots will come out and you will get a very beautiful shape of the bonsai. Cut off the individual branch strings also and remove them. For the container, I took a small bowl and using a heated nail, I made 2 holes on the underside. Then I filled it up with homemade compost and I planted the plant. After this, water the plant and let it grow. After a few days, you can see new branches have come out and I even got a few flowers. You have to make sure that no shoots come out from the main trunk. If you find any tiny ones coming out, you should remove it immediately. And you must only allow the top part to grow. After about a month, the plant had grown quite a bit and soon it was filled with flowers. After the flowering got over, the plant again started growing and tiny buds appeared. I added banana peel liquid fertilizer so that we can again get a lot of blooms. And our pretty bonsai is done. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave a like if you liked it, and thanks for watching.